What if your retention analysis ran on demand and landed as a clean, readable email in your inbox? Let's build that workflow. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and today I'll show you how to generate employee retention analytics reports automatically using GPT-4o and Gmail digests, turning raw hiring data into clear, actionable insights. Step 1. Manual trigger. This workflow starts when the user manually clicks Execute Workflow. Allows controlled execution, useful for weekly analysis, ideal for testing and reviews. Step 2. Candidate data. Fetch. This node fetches candidate-level hiring and retention data, pulls candidate name, role, traits, includes retention outcomes, acts as primary candidate dataset. Step 3. Trait summary. Fetch. This node retrieves aggregated trait-level retention metrics. Fetches trait retention percentages, includes weight adjustments used for scoring logic. Step 4. Merge candidate plus trait data. Both candidate and trait datasets are merged into a single stream. Combines granular plus summary data, ensures unified processing feeds, scoring logic. Step 5. Candidate scoring and data normalization. This code node cleans data and calculates candidate scores, normalizes fields, builds trait, weight map, computes, candidate score outputs, clean structured JSON. Step 6. Data validation. This conditional node ensures valid data before AI processing. Checks candidates, length more than 0 checks traits. Length 0 prevents empty AI inputs. Step 7. Retention digest generator. This AI node generates a structured HTML retention digest, uses strict non-hallucinating prompt, analyzes traits and candidates, produces styled HTML email, includes insights and action items. Step 8. AI processing backend. This node provides the GPT-4o model for the digest generation. Azure OpenAI backend powers LM chain, ensures consistent outputs. Step 9. Email delivery. The final retention digest is sent via Gmail, sends HTML email, weekly retention update delivered to stakeholders. Step 10. Error handling logic. If validation fails, errors are logged safely, appends error records, captures failure details, maintains audit trail. And that's how you can automate employee retention reporting, from raw data to an AI-generated email digest. If this helped, stay tuned for more such videos. See you in the next one.